everyone, welcome to Queen of the Household. My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to share with you the complete transformation of my kitchen for only $181. So we eventually want to upgrade the space and probably do a whole new renovation and take out the countertops and all of that. But for now, I wanted a space that I enjoyed more, and a place that I actually liked being in because I spend a lot of time in the kitchen, and it was just a really 1990s drab, kind of sad looking place, and I was tired of it looking this way. So I want to encourage you that if you have a kitchen that you don't necessarily love how it looks right now, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to make it look like a place that you enjoy. So I'm going to share with you 5 things that we did to upgrade this space on a small budget and give you the exact breakdown of the cost of everything. And then at the very end of the video, I'm going to share with you some befores and afters because those are always so fun to see. So make sure that you stay to the end and see the huge transformation. All right, so the first thing that we did was we upgraded the cabinets. So eventually I would love to paint my cabinets probably a green or blue color, but for now I just wanted something easy and inexpensive to just take that orangey honey oakness out of the kitchen. And so what I decided on was Bry Wax. Now Bry Wax is a wax that you don't have to sand. It's relatively easy to put on, especially once you've gotten used to working with it. And I did an entire video dedicated to showing you how I added Bry Wax to my cabinets. So I will leave that linked below if you want to check that out. But it just made such a huge difference, and I'm in love with the instant upgrade that the Bry Wax added to my cabinets for only $24. The next thing I did was I added hardware to the cabinets. So we didn't have any hardware to begin with, so I just ordered some off of Amazon. I found some drawer pulls for $16, and then I found some door knobs for $20. And I just went with a classic black because I really love the contrast between the black metal and the wooden cabinets. And so that's what I did. I added them to all of the cabinet doors and drawers, and I just feel like it really elevated the space and just kind of modernized it, and it was a really simple fix. The next thing that I did was I added a faucet. Well, actually I changed out our old faucet. So our old faucet actually needed to go. It had a hole in it and it would spray you when you would turn it on. I mean, yeah, it was that bad. So it needed to go, and I spent weeks every day looking on Amazon trying to find a black faucet that I really wanted in my kitchen for the price that I wanted. And I ended up finding one for only $40. So I encourage you to really do your research and just don't wait until don't settle on an expensive one. If you have a certain budget, just wait until it gets to the right price. You will find a faucet in your budget. So I ended up changing out the faucet all on my own. It was relatively simple to do, and it just gave it an instant upgrade to the space, and I absolutely love our new faucet. The next thing that I did was I did paint in here. I painted it kind of a creamy white. It's White Barn by Color Space from Walmart. And it's the same paint that I used in my living room and dining room, so it just all kind of flows together. And I painted it all, and then I decided to upgrade my backsplash. And I thought of a few different options. One was the peel and stick tile, but that was going to cost me $150, and I just couldn't let myself spend $150 on tile that I didn't even know if it was going to stay in place because I'd read many reviews that it had fallen down. I also knew that eventually we were going to add a backsplash in here with real tile, and so I really wanted to just save that $150 to go to when we actually put up real tile in our kitchen. The second option was wallpaper. And I almost spent $50 on wallpaper, but then I thought, you know what, I thought I could get the same look by myself for a lot less. So I ended up only spending $13 on supplies and created a faux subway tile backsplash. And I made a video all about that as well, so I will leave that linked below if you want to check that one out as well. But again, I love how it just transformed the space for a little, just a tiny amount of money. Okay, so next up, we did upgrade our microwave. Now, we do plan to upgrade our appliances in the near future, but right now they work just fine, so it would really just be for looks. And so we're just gonna kind of let them keep working and doing their thing for now. But our microwave was literally dying, and so we had to get rid of it. We had to upgrade. We found one for $40 at Walmart, and that's what we went with. And then last, we just upgraded with the decor in here. So I never really decorated a whole lot because it just wasn't a place that I liked. And so I didn't know how to decorate. So what I did was I just shopped my own house and I found a lot of pieces that I already have and already love and just added them to the space. I did buy a $3 can of black spray paint and spray painted a few things here and there just to give it that cohesive look with the black accents throughout the room. And I really love just the look that I came up with my decor. I did purchase a paper towel holder to put underneath of our cabinets, and then I also purchased a mug rack so that I could hang up some of my treasured coffee mugs and put that up on the wall, and that was it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this space. I hope it has given you some inspiration to create a kitchen that you love as well. And don't settle for a kitchen that you don't love, especially if you're in there multiple times a day. You need a space that you love walking into, and you don't have to spend thousands of dollars or wait for a huge renovation to create a space that you love. So I'm gonna give you some befores and afters. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, of course, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.